My name is Opira Morise Kato. That is my name. I was born in 1969 on the 4th of June. Yeah. See, and now I'm at home. I've tried to learn, but I was in technical, where from there I did break work. But this one I know timber work because all my parents were fundis. Yeah? They were, yeah. This song, the first song I've played, is talking about living, by the title, Living in the Camp. Yeah, this song is telling us that by that time when the Acholi were there in the camp, then after people stayed there for several times or for a long time, they start crying about peace, and they had wanted to come back home. So this song is telling us that by that time, God allowed peace. Then peace came back to our land, or to our people who are there in the camp. Then from there, people went back home. They're reaching home. What happened again? They start losing this peace, which they were crying for. The reason is people have started quarreling about land, chasing each other, whereby at last time they were staying together. So this song is telling us that by then, when people went back home, they start doing something funny. Some have started to carry these pangas or spears or arrows, bow and arrows, looking for shooting each other about the land. Then on behalf, this song is also continue saying that we as the Acholi tribe, we need to change, or we need to look outside about other tribes. They are now learning, but from our area here, or in our home there, here, we are just quarreling, you see. Then this song is saying that we should go back, as we are now at home, we need to turn to school, to send our children to school so that they learn like other tribes outside, you see. Then this song is telling us that this quarreling about land is among brothers and brothers, nephew and uncle, tribe by tribe, and so on, you see. So lastly, this song is telling us that even though if you carry panga, you carry bow and arrows, you carry spear, and you kill your brother, that one, it means nonsense. So we need to leave those things so that we come together as we were before we went to the camp. I think this is what this song is telling us. You know, this instrument, in our language, we call it Adungu. Yeah. But in the past, people even up to now, people use skin to make it. Skin from cow. They use it to make it. But by that time, all our cow had been driven by the Kormojong, the warriors. So by that time, there were no cow within our area there. Then I thought that when I start making it in a different way, or I modernize this thing, it will be better than that one. As getting skin was very difficult. In this instrument, here I have the volume. When you want to raise the volume, you use this one, the knob. And the backward side there, when there is any mistake there, you can open here. You can put off this. this screw. Then you remove this one, the cover. Then this one, the other engine, which I told you that we have 2 engines here, is working. The other one is working with 2 batteries, and the other one is working with 6 batteries. Altogether, there are 8, which means 4 pairs. And here is the switch for the engine here. And this one is for this one. And this light will indicate to you whether this thing is functioning or not. You see.